we want to develop that team chemistry.
Teamwork.
Team.
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 Team. Teamwork.
You're not going to get a team from any other club. You're going to get the showcase players that want to play for themselves to get recruited, and I feel like with HGR we play as a unit.
What I think sets it apart from other programs is like it doesn't highlight its whole play around like one player. They want everyone to grow as a player, like as a whole, so they can contribute to the team as a whole.
I don't feel like my son is, you know, the player or one player who helps other people. I feel like this is a beautiful team. Like the way they play together is phenomenal, and you'll hear the coaches on the sideline saying, hey, pass it around, use your team, do this, and not just like give it to this kid, give it to this kid, give it to this kid. And I think that makes a difference. The way these kids grow together and they hold each other accountable and their coaches hold them accountable, it's awesome.
It's a community and it's a family.
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 Family of
Family.
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 Family. Family.
It's a family.
I feel like the people are very welcoming. I know on a lot of other club teams, I've heard that it's not quite the same. So it's definitely nice to be part of the family.
I would say there is a really nice sense of community. Our daughter was in another club before, and there's definitely like a more cohesive group of parents and the girls together, and it's really nice coming to the tournaments and seeing that every time.
We've got a great coaching community that thrives off of new ideas and collaborative efforts and brings individual skill sets and talents to the table that round us all out as coaches.
Coaching.
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 Coaches.
Coaching.
Coaches.
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 Coaching.
Coaching.
Coaches.
Coaching.
Coaches.
That's why I love coaching.
We've been here, I don't know, probably about 8 years. Kids have enjoyed it. They love the atmosphere. They love the coaches.
They love the coaches.
And that's why we're here.
I think the most immediate thing that I've appreciated is the small group atmosphere. I know some programs, they're loaded with players, and there's a disconnect between the players and the coach, whereas in HGR, coaches know every player by name. And there's just is a sense of community within the program, but also within the teams.
It feels very personal to the girls and not like a machine factory, which happens with some of the other groups.
The coaches for me is really the best thing, once again, because every one of them care. It's not just my son's just a number. They all know his name, they all know who he is, and they care about the progress that he's making.